Exercise 5.2 question number 7. We have a function f of x equal to 2 into root of cot x square. We want to find its derivative. Okay. So f dash of x we need to find. Here 2 is constant. So 2 into now root of cot x square. Listen, root of cot x square can be written as cot x square the whole raised to 1 by 2. Okay, cot x square the whole raised to 1 by 2. So what is the derivative of x raised to n? Formula. Derivative of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. N x raised to n minus 1. So what is derivative of root cot x square? That is power into cot x square raised to power minus 1. Okay, 1 by 2 minus 1 into, now it is only for the derivative of root function. Now d by dx of cot x square. Okay. So 2 is constant. First we differentiate root of a function into derivative of the function inside this radical notation. Now see this next step. We can cancel these 2. So remaining cot x square raised to 1 by 2 minus 1. 1 by 2 minus 1 is minus 1 by 2. Now derivative of cot x square. So you have to differentiate cot. Okay. So what is the derivative of cot x? Derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. Okay. Derivative of cot x is minus cosec square x. So what is derivative of cot x square? Minus cosec square x square into again derivative of x square. It is a function of a function. So this becomes cot x square raised to minus 1 by 2 into minus cosec square x square into derivative of x square. Derivative of x square is 2x. Now rearrange the terms. This can be written as, it is negative power. So we can write 1 by cot x square raised to 1 by 2. It becomes positive power into minus cosec square x square into 2x. Again rearrange. Listen, we can take this negative along with this 2x. So negative 2x into cosec square x square divided by cot x square raised to 1 by 2. Now x raised to 1 by 2 means root x. So this can be written as minus 2x into cosec square x square divided by root of cot x square. You can stop with this step. Otherwise, on simplification, you can see the final answer that is given in the textbook. I explained the simplification procedures, simplification steps in notes. Go through the steps and listen. Okay. Another question, f of x equal to sec x tan root x. So we want to know derivative of sec x. What is derivative of sec x? Derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. Okay, derivative of sec x is sec x tan x. Now listen, derivative of f dash of x. So just neglect this tan root x. So it is just like sec x. Okay, sec x. What is derivative of sec x? Sec x tan x. Okay, sec x tan x. What is x? Tan root x. So sec x tan x. Is clear? Sec x tan x into, now we want to find derivative of tan root x, bracketed expression. So listen, what is derivative of tan x? Derivative of tan x is sec square x. So what is derivative of tan root x? It is sec square root x. Okay. Derivative of tan x is sec square x. So derivative of tan root x is sec square root x. Again, now consider root x. What is the derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x. Clear? First we find derivative of sec, then tan, then root x. Three functions are there. So rearrange the terms, we get sec tan root x into tan root x into sec square root x divided by 2 root x. Is clear? Let's see another example. F of x equal to cos x cube into sin square x raised to 5. Cos x cube into sin square x raised to 5. It is actually u into v. U into v. So we can apply product rule. What is product rule? First into derivative of second plus second into derivative of first. So listen, f dash of x equal to first into derivative. The example, f of x equal to tan 2x plus 3. Okay, we have to find derivative of f of x. That is f dash of x we want to find. So you can write the bracketed expression firstly, 2x plus 3. Okay, now consider this tan ratio only and then think what is the derivative of tan x. What is the derivative of tan? What is the derivative of tan? It is sec square. Okay, derivative of tan x is sec square x. Derivative of tan y is sec square y. Derivative of tan z is sec square z. So derivative of tan 2x plus 3 is sec square 2x plus 3 into, now take this bracketed expression and find its derivative. Derivative of 2x plus 3. There are two terms. So derivative of 2x plus derivative of 3. What is derivative of 2x? Derivative of 2x. 2 is constant. Derivative of x is 1. So it is 2 plus derivative of 3. 3 is a constant number. There is no variable x. It's a constant number. Therefore its derivative is 0. So the answer is sec square 2x plus 3 into 2. Rearrange the terms. So we will get 2 into sec square 2x plus 3. Okay.